Okay, people, this is a tutorial on this assignment, Athens and Sparta, a rivalry between two city-states. So we're going to move, and I'm going to introduce a new topic here, and it's this idea of this rivalry that was in ancient Greece between these two city-states. And what we're going to learn about is how each city-state was different from each other, and maybe some similarities too. And probably what we'll do with this is have a debate, some type of discussion thread on Athens and Sparta and which city-state would you choose to live in. Something to that effect. So that's why we're learning about Athens and Sparta. So, this assignment might be, you might think this is kind of difficult to follow. I put the directions here. So we have a document, which is like a graphic organizer, called Athens and Sparta Comparison Chart. And this link is to the reading. So really, if you can open up both at once when you're doing it, that would be ideal. And this is an assignment that you can take all week to do, because there's a half decent amount of reading, I think. Although I don't think it's difficult. So here's the link. I'll open that up. The picture is sideways. The text isn't. And this is a textbook that I've used in class and previously. And here's the title, Life in Two City-States, Athens and Sparta. Again, we're going to compare these two city-states. So this is the introduction. I just want you to read this. There's no need to take notes here. Then when we get into this section, comparing two city-states, here's where I'd like you to start taking notes. And I want to point out the titles here. Comparing two city-states is the title here, and it shows you a map of where they both were, Athens and Sparta. So it's going to talk in general here about each city-state. And then it's going to start talking about particular aspects of each city-state or characteristics. So this was the Athenian government. And it's going to talk about government in Athens. And if you scroll down, it's going to talk about the economy in Athens, or how they basically made money, how they survived, what did they do with their resources. That's what it means when it's talking about economy. And then another topic about Athens, education, and then women and slaves in Athens and what their life was like. Then it's going to start talking about Sparta and the same topics, Spartan government, economy, education, women and slaves. So first they talk about one city-state, Athens, and all the topics about that. And then they talk about Sparta and all the topics about that. So if I went back here and open up this document, Athens and Sparta Comparison Chart, again, I give you directions on how to fill out this chart. So you can read those. But what I did is, I already started for you. So you can see the title here, Comparing Two City-States, is the same as the first title in the first section here. So I read this section and I took notes on Athens. I want you to start by reading this section about Athens. This section is about both Athens and Sparta. But starting and reading this part about Athens and compare what you read to my notes. That will give you an idea as to what constitutes or what could be looked at as being sufficient notes. Once you're done with comparing my notes to what you read about Athens, I want you to read Sparta and then take notes right here. And bullets are fine. And then, as you read, you would read this particular section is about Athens alone. So it's going to talk about Athens and its government. And here's Athenian government. You would take your notes right in here. And these boxes will expand. The more you write notes, the more the box will expand. Now, in this paper here, this document says Spartan government over here. To get to that, though, Spartan government is not the next topic because it's going to finish talking about Athenian topics first. The economy in Athens, education in Athens, women and slaves in Athens, and then Spartan government. So there are two ways of doing this. Reading this section, this assignment, and filling in this graphic organizer. One would be to do the topic for each city-state. In one day, do both Athenian government and Spartan government. The next day, do Athenian economy and Spartan economy, and so on and so on. Or you could just go by the way the reading is set up and do Athenian government, Athenian economy, and do it that way. You can do Athenian government, Athenian economy, education in Athens. So you can work it either way. You could do one city-state at a time, or you could do one topic at a time. And topic, I mean Athenian, in this case, would be government and government from each city-state. So either way you do it, I don't care. One thing I think you should do is to share it with me after you've started it. That way I can look at it and I can kind of comment and help you along, so to speak. Do not submit it to me or turn it in if you're only partially done, because then you're going to have to wait. I don't know. I'm not really sure if you have to wait for me to return it, but you would only turn it in when you're completely done with the graphic organizer and the reading. I would like to see you share it once you've started it, so I can take a look at it and comment. So I hope this helps. There's also directions here, and I hope they're clear. If I went back to the social studies page, I also kind of lay out the directions here. So, this is something that you can take basically the whole week to do. And I will be looking at it when you share it with me. That's it. Good luck.